Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to stream 1080p on Discord without Nitro. So first what you want to do is open up your browser and search for Better Discord right here and just download and install it. And if you don't know how, I have another video pertaining to this particular topic. So just download it. Now what you want to do is go to this website or link, and the links will be provided. So just go to download here, hover to the green button and click on standard download and just wait for it to download. So now it's downloaded and I put it here on my desktop. Just need to open it and open it again. Once you see this GS file, you want to go to Discord, go to user settings, go to the Better Discord section, go to plugins and click on open plugins folder. And now go back. So as you can see, here is my plugins folder. Next thing that you want to do is just move this file here on the Discord plugin folder. So make sure that it is there already. So let me check. And once you've put it here, just click on exit. Go back to Discord. So as you can see, Discord updated and the Nitro Perks change logo is here. So you could just search for it here on the plugins and make sure it is turned on. Once you're turned on, you could click on the gear icon on it. And as you can see, it now enable the perk settings, just like so. So this adapts to your current Nitro status. Once you're done, you're now all good, and now you could try. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.